In this last tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print your brochure double-sided. We're going to first print it in black and white, which will give you an opportunity to fold it, see that everything falls in place. Let one of your friends read through it and pick up if there's any mistakes so that you can fix them before you print the color version. So I've got here a brochure that's about Namibia. It's a little bit different, but basically the same concept. We've got a cover page and we've got an inside page, which you can see is set up in the 3 columns, and I make sure that everything stays away from my margin. What I need to do now that it's finished is go to File, Print, make sure it's set up on CP Computer Room, and then I'm going to show you what to do with each one of those different settings. So, print all pages, you want to do that. Here, if it says tiled, you got to click that, and you must select 1 page per sheet. That's already looking better. Then A4 remains the same. Print one-sided, you're going to need to change it to the bottom option, which is print on both sides, flip sheet on short edge. And you're going to make sure that your first version is composite grayscale, which means black and white, and then you can go ahead and print. The printer is going to print one side and then pull the page back inside and print on the other side. So wait until it's done it both times, don't rush to take it out because then you're going to jam the printer. So let it finish, let it fully drop into the tray, and only then take it, or even better, ask your teacher to bring it for you. So that's the first thing. And once you've printed, like I said, go over it carefully, pick up any spelling mistakes, any missing capital letters at the beginning of names and sentences, anything that folds. It's not nice when pictures or text fold, so make sure they're away from the margin. And once you've done all of that and you did all your correction, you can go ahead and print the color version, which is pretty much the same except for one change. Again, we're going to click File, Print, make sure it's print all pages, make sure here it's set up on 1 page per sheet, make sure the size is A4, although it should not change, make sure it's on print on both sides, flip sheets on short edge, and the only thing you have to change is the bottom option, and you're going to change it to composite RGB, which in simple words means print in color. There we go, and then you're going to add and you're going to click the print button. Once you've printed, if you want someone to help you fold it nicely, just ask someone who's got good hands or an adult to print it nicely, and there you go, your project is finished. You can hand it to your teacher. Well done.